DGPS surveyors are professionals who play a crucial role in accurately determining the position and coordinates of various points on the Earth's surface. These surveyors make use of DGPS technology, which stands for Differential Global Positioning System, to achieve higher levels of accuracy in their measurements. Noida, a city in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, is home to several skilled and experienced DGPS surveyors who provide their expertise to a wide range of industries and sectors. One of the key responsibilities of DGPS surveyors in Noida is to conduct surveys and collect data related to land and construction projects. They use advanced DGPS equipment and software to measure and record precise coordinates, elevations, and distances. This information is crucial for various purposes, such as mapping, boundary delineation, and site planning. DGPS surveyors in Noida are well versed in using different techniques and tools to ensure accurate and reliable data collection. DGPS surveyors in Noida also play a vital role in the field of infrastructure development. They are involved in projects related to roads, highways, bridges, and other public utilities. By accurately mapping the existing terrain and collecting data on elevations and slopes, these surveyors help in the design and construction of infrastructure projects that are safe, efficient, and sustainable. The use of DGPS technology enhances the precision of these surveys, enabling engineers and architects to make informed decisions based on accurate data. They assist in the development of master plans and zoning regulations by providing accurate data on land use, topography, and natural features. This information helps urban planners to make informed decisions regarding the location of residential, commercial, and industrial areas, as well as the preservation of environmentally sensitive areas. Professionals known as DGPS surveyors are essential in pinpointing the location and coordinates of numerous spots on the surface of the Earth. Differential Global Positioning System, or DGPS, technology is used by these surveyors to increase the precision of their measurements. Many knowledgeable and experienced DGPS surveyors are located in Noida, a city in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, and they offer their services to a variety of businesses and sectors. One of the main duties of DGPS surveyors in Noida is to carry out surveys and gather information on real estate and building projects. To measure and document exact coordinates, elevations, and distances, they use cutting-edge DGPS hardware and software. This data is essential for a number of tasks, including site planning, boundary delineation, and mapping. DGPS surveyors in Noida are skilled in utilizing a variety of methods and equipment to guarantee precise and dependable data collecting. Additionally, essential to the development of infrastructure is the work of DGPS surveyors in Noida. They work on projects including public utilities, bridges, and roads and highways.